Hi dear people, I have very important video tutorial for you. You know when you work in 3D graphics and when you have multiple windows open, I noticed that sometimes when you minimize or maximize windows, it was sluggish for me. Today I wanted to show you what option I found to speed up opening, minimizing and maximizing windows because they were very slow. They seemed to be slow, but I found video tutorial what to do. In properties, I think I have to go to the desktop. What are classic window settings? Okay, that's fine. I will choose the option personalize instead. There's a very important option in gaming mode, game mode, graphics. I had to disable one thing to speed Windows 11 up. I disabled hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. This was causing my windows to minimize and maximize very slow. Now it seems to be a lot faster. I don't have any lag issue, even if I switch between applications like OBS Studio or Blender. Yes, it seems to be a lot smaller. What I turned on, I use the option like this, optimizations for window games, reduce latency, but I had to disable this because it was causing my windows to work slower. They didn't maximize at full speed. They seemed to be much slower. At least it has fixed my issue. If you face that issue when you cannot quickly open the windows, just use that option uh, what I showed you before. If you disable this, you will see the difference because I was finding what was causing my Windows 11 to be very slow when I was minimizing and maximizing Windows.